Hello, this is Tegan and
Rachel.
We're at the Tilajari Resort here near the volcano.
Arenal Volcano, Costa Rica.
Yeah, Arenal Volcano in Costa Rica. And here's the main gate coming in. And this is the lobby here. Pretty nice place. Parking's here. Okay. So you come in here and you'll get your room, and we'll go around here after we go through the lobby. They have water here to greet you with. Okay. And you can come right through here. And when you go to your room, you drive down this road, but you can also walk back to the restaurant. They have tennis courts. They do a lot of sporting events here. They do tennis, soccer, and pickleball. So, tennis courts on the right, tennis courts on the left. Okay, and if you come over here, we'll go to the right to the restaurant. It's a pretty big restaurant. We had breakfast there this morning, and the breakfast is pretty good. Okay, so the restaurant is here. And they have seating on the right. Hello. Seating on the left. And a bar here. And they have stuff to pick from down here. And we are eating breakfast here. And the breakfast looks pretty good. Okay, this is our view of the river while we're eating. Rachel's already eating, of course. And there's my breakfast. And we parked our car here, and we're gonna go up to our room. These are private quarters here. Rachel is gonna take us up to the room 603. There is lizards running around here in 603. Okay, we come in. And as soon as you walk in, they do have a safe. As soon as you come in the door, plenty of closets. Okay, place to put your bags. Okay, there is aircon. Plenty good sized bed, nice and neat, very clean. Okay, desk. Okay, and here's your bathroom. Has give you plenty of stuff. Okay, and your shower here. Okay, Rachel is on the bed already, tired. Okay, and if you look out back, is some type of a creek, and you have a patio out back here where you can, 2 seats. It is hot out here though. Okay. So there's the view from the back of the place. Okay. And once again, here's our room. Okay, that's it. Rachel, that's the room here.
That's our room.
Yep. We're gonna do the pool area here, and if you look here, there's a gigantic swimming pool. Plenty of room, right, Rachel? Huh? Show you. And up here, they have the jacuzzi up here. And a little scenic outlook over the river, or here. Here's the jacuzzi. And a little seating area. Rachel, you have the river.
The river.
Yeah, nice view of the river here. So, that place is set.